I have this 2017 Honda Fit, and it has a really annoying dash rattle. It seems like it's coming from this ring. Like if I hold this ring, it stops rattling. Apparently there's a screw back there. The forum said you work this black piece of plastic off, and then you can get at the screw. Maybe that's part of it right there, or something back there. Alright, I just jammed this right there. Got that to come out a little bit. The whole thing's starting to come out. To this side. Oh, yes. Right there is a loose screw. Don't know if this is going to help or not, but I'm going to put a tick of Loctite on there. This was a salvage title car, so there's bound to be stuff like this. It's gonna got jarred loose. There, that's it. Oh yeah, she's solid now. Get this off here. Yeah, I was concerned it was gonna be like one of these clips, but it doesn't appear to be. So I guess I'll just plug it back in. I think the problem's solved. Thanks for watching.